Hi vitepos lover. It's the vitepos tutorial here. This video will show you the RTL support feature on vitepos version 3.0. So, let's get started. If you are new to our channel, then please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get more updated videos. If you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much for subscribing. RTL stands for right to left, referring to the writing direction of languages like Arabic and Hebrew. In RTL scripts, text starts from the right and flows to the left. It is the opposite of left to right scripts like English. Implementing RTL support ensures proper formatting for right to left languages. In the Settings module, under Basic Settings, enable RTL. Click on the Save button. After that, click on View POS. You can see all modules will shift to a right to left position. For RTL in the vitepos admin panel, change the language to Arabic in WordPress general settings. The vitepos admin panel will also switch to RTL. That concludes our overview of the RTL support of vitepos. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.